Hours ago, the body of the late Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia arrived in Virginia. His body arrived at Dulles Airport and was loaded onto a hearse. He was flown out of El Paso last night. Scalia was found dead on Saturday. A Presidio County judge in the West Texas county where Scalia was found says the 79-year-old died of natural causes. The judge reached that conclusion after consulting with Scalia's personal physician and sheriff's investigators who said there were no signs of foul play involved here. The family also did not order an autopsy. Scalia was appointed by President Ronald Reagan in 1986. He was the longest serving justice on the current court and the last to be confirmed unanimously. The White House says President Barack Obama will nominate a successor in due time once the Senate returns from a week-long recess. But, not everyone is on board with that idea.
Yeah, and this could be setting up for a big battle. Leading Republican lawmakers and also the presidential candidates insist that the next president should be the one to name Scalia's successor.
The president can nominate whoever he wants, but the Senate's not going to act, and that's pretty clear.
We will see unlimited abortion on demand throughout this country. Partial birth abortion, taxpayer funding, no parental notification.
Democrats, though, say that Senate Republicans need to act responsibly and allow a vote.
Barack Obama is president of the United States until January 20th, 2017. That is a fact, my friends, whether the Republicans like it or not.
Apparently, they believe that the Constitution does not allow a Democratic president to bring forth a nominee to replace Justice Scalia.
Well, Democrats also concerned that the high court could be paralyzed with just 8 members. With well over 300 days left in office, President Obama says there is plenty of time for him to nominate Scalia's successor and for the Senate to do its job to approve that nominee.
Well, while we wait for a replacement for Scalia, we wanted to know how it could impact the current cases the High Court is looking into this year. So right now, there are several cases involving Texas before the High Court, from a challenge to the president's immigration executive action to a dispute over admissions at the University of Texas and also the state's abortion law that passed in 2013. Well, Texas's abortion law is up for oral arguments in just 2.5 weeks. Justice Scalia is a known conservative, and his vacancy could have a very big impact on how the court interprets the law. Right now, the Supreme Court has 4 liberals, 3 conservatives, and then 1 wild card. A tied ruling on the issue means the lower court's decision is upheld, or the Supreme Court may wait for another justice to decide. Well, over on our website, you can actually take a look at our reports from the view of pro-life and pro-choice advocates and what they're saying about this. You can also watch our in-depth coverage on Scalia's death, including perspective from Texas Supreme Court Chief Justice Nathan Heck. He was close friends with Justice Scalia.